guys got your hands set in stone, and then you did a nice job throwing the flag. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. It's nice to be here. You know, a little bittersweet, but just so much love and support from everybody at St. Petersburg and my racing family. And I was a little bit nervous about the flag because I was told that it would have like a strap on it, but it didn't. So just thank goodness I didn't drop it and one of the cars run over and ruin their weekend.
Do you think, has your youngest son, Sebastian, has he figued out race cars? Do you think does he like them?
Yeah, they both actually are really into racing, and you know, Sebastian especially, he's a little bit older. He's just turned 4, so he's always wanting to know when Scott Dixon's coming into town to race and where the race cars are. And you know, they're definitely aware of everything, and they just are having a great time being here, and everybody's doting on them. And a lot of the drivers have been taking them out for rides on their golf carts and scooters, and so they're just loving it.
So as bittersweet as it is, this is your family.
Yeah, it is, and you know, I feel like they'll always be a part of my family. You know, obviously it was a big part of my life, and I still want my children to kind of grow up around it and be exposed to it. And I'll always feel like this is my family.
Well, Susie's already said she'd do the grid run with me, but it's got to be the rows have to be a little closer together.
Thank you, Robin, and lovely to hear from Susie.